So let's start with opening your legs and take the pillow, bring it in front, then take the block, and you want to adjust the pillow so that it's as comfortable as possible as we fold forward. So you want to see if you can rest your forehead onto the block. Then you can simply bring your hand onto the ground or onto your ankles and rest. Hold between 30 seconds to up to 1 minute. On the next exhalation, gently come back. Take support of your hand, hold the block so it doesn't fall. Gently come back, remove the block and place the pillow onto your back. You want to see that the pillow is as close to your body as possible. Then you want to stretch one leg out and bend one knee. Do it slowly and easily and listen to your body. Then adjust your block and gently roll back. Then look at the hips. You want to lift the hips and drop them down so that your spine back in good alignment. Now if you want, you can go ahead, stay here, but if you can go further, then try. And going all the way, resting your head onto the pillow or onto the ground, whichever is convenient. Then bring your hands above the head and let go. Holding again 30 seconds to up to 1 minute. On the next exhalation, gently come back. Take support of your hands, push with your hands, change your leg. Stretch your right leg out, bend your left knee. Once again, lift your hips, drop them down. Press onto your elbows, and once again, if you want, you can adjust your hips, lifting up and down. Once you are fully comfortable, go ahead, go all the way down, resting your head onto the pillow or onto the ground, hands above the head, and let go. On the next exhalation, support with your hands, come back up and bend your knees, feet flat on the ground. Take the pillow and place the pillow between your knees, and you can gently lay down. Then bring the feet slightly closer to your buttocks. Then bring the hands either above the head or by the side if you have space enough to stretch your arms out. For me, I'm gonna place my hand above the head. Then inhale. As you exhale, drop your both legs to the left, look to the right. On the next exhalation, gently bring your knees back to the center. Inhale. As you exhale, drop them to the right and look to the left. Enjoy the asana and become aware how good it feels while doing these gentle yin yoga practice, asanas. Inhale. As you exhale, come back to the center. Let go of your pillow. Then join the sole of the feet together. Adjust your body if you need to, so that you can feel the most comfortable and easy. And bring the hands onto your thighs and press your thighs slightly down, gently down, and hold. Inhale. As you exhale, release the asana, bring your knees back together, and then grab your pillow back and place the pillow under your knees and let go of your knees, so you're going to bring your feet out and your knees are slightly out. Then bring your hands above your head. Let go. And whenever you're ready, gently come back. Remove the pillow. Stretch your legs out and let go for a few moments. And begin to move your toes, fingers, hands, legs, feet together, hands up overhead. Give a good stretch to the body. Inhale, stretch, stretch. Exhale and release. Take your time. Whenever ready, sit up. Gently open your eyes. Thank you very much everyone whoever joined me in this yoga series, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my upcoming yoga series. Namaskar.